nighttime POV. POV. Is that another one? Oh no. I was about to say, yo. I like my camera a little foggy. Bam! I need gas. I need to get gas. Right. That's what I'll be doing. If I need gas, I'll be like, fuck it, and I'll get that shit in the morning. Cause I'm going to the house. I'm going to the house at Escalade Raw. The new shits. That shit's raw. Yeah. I get this shit. I just enjoy some Popeyes. I usually get them black and tender shits. But I ain't get them this time. God damn, them fucking bright ass. Look at this fuck nigga right here with them bright ass fucking lights. Look at this stupid ass. You can't even fucking see because of them bright ass fucking lights. They're like a fucking Audi. Get up out of there. It was too close to me. I'm about to get on the highway. I hate when motherfuckers don't want to get over. Alright, motherfucker. Get the fuck over. Jackass. Jackass. Screaming on the highway up under these damn bridges. Like, for real. Big Marrow don't play. That's why I changed my YouTube name to Big Marrow. It was gonna either be Big Marrow, cause I had it at What's Brad Doing. But I was like, man, hell no, let me change that shit. Cause when I chose that name, I was gonna be just doing like random shit, like, so then motherfucker will be like, well, what's Brad doing? Oh, well, he's doing this today. But I was like, man, hell no, my channel gonna be strictly car content. So I put Big Marrow. That's my YouTube name, Big Marrow. So y'all go like, subscribe, and comment, please. I'm trying to get into the rhythm of recording a video every day and posting a video every day, if I can, because I work. But I want this to be my job, so I won't have to choose between either or. This will just be my main stream of income, will be YouTube. That's the goal for 2023. That is the goal for 2023, my boy. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is September. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't even know how many I got now, because I wasn't taking this shit serious. But now, I'm like, yeah, hell no. The gauges. Don't forget the gauges, the cool Camaro gauges. You can't have a Camaro. There go another Big Marrow. Is that Big Marrow? That's Little Marrow. That Big Marrow. Yeah, Big Marrow. No, it's Lil Marrow. Oh, that's Big Marrow. That's what it looks like. Ain't nobody trying to race you. I hate when motherfuckers with V6s and shit, 4-cylinders be trying to race. Like, it don't even make no fucking sense. Like, for what? God damn, Big Marrow. Damn, Big Marrow. Look at these fuckers right here. Even though I had a red light, but still, though, y'all just walk across the street like y'all knew I was gonna stop. What if I didn't stop? What the fuck if I didn't stop? It's dark as fuck on the street. But yeah, I got a lot of shit coming for New Blue. If you guys didn't know, that's the name of Big Marrow, is New Blue. Cause my old car was blue. It was like a navy blue. And when I got this and I seen that it was gonna be like a different shade of blue, I was like, well, shit, I'm gonna name this one New Blue. And that's what it is, New Blue. So, New Blue, I got a lot of shit coming for New Blue. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna just let you guys stick around. Hopefully you guys stick around and watch the process of the build. You know, I just rebuilt the whole front end. I just rebuilt the front end by myself. Off YouTube. Off YouTube, my boy. I ain't know shit about putting a fucking radiator, AC condenser. I ain't know shit about putting none of that shit back in a fucking car. So when I got dang on seeing all the YouTube videos, I was like, oh, that shit easy. I said, that shit easy as fuck. I can do that shit by myself. So I don't gotta pay nobody. Cause they was talking about like 4,500, 5 bands. That's what I heard, just for a front end damage. I'm like, damn. So I did that shit myself, and I probably pocketed like 3 bands. Probably more than that, cause I did it all myself. I got the parts from car parts. If you guys know about car parts, that's where I got all my parts from. But yeah, I saved a lot of money rebuilding Big Marrow. A lot of money. So yeah, where the fuck this nigga turning at? It ain't even know where to fucking turn right there, stupid. People do dumb shit. Look at that shit, they dumb ass. It ain't even know fucking where to turn. It's just a little POV, a night POV night shift type shit. Here go my old high school. You can't even see because the damn tent so goddamn dark. I got 5 on the sides. I don't even got none on my front. I'm gonna get 5 on the front. No, I'm tripping. I got 15 on the sides. I got 15% on the sides. And I was gonna get 5 on the front. A lot of people told me to go 35 in the Marrow because, you know, you can't already see out this motherfucker. So they was like, goddamn, go 35% because you can still see at night. It won't be as dark as 5 or 15%. You know, I'm trying to be goddamn in a fucking Batmobile in this bitch. I don't want nobody to see in here. Like, for real. So I might either get 15 like the size or 5 and go a little darker. Cause man, I'm telling you. Yes, sir. Big Marrow. What the hell is this dumbass nigga? I hate when motherfuckers do that breaking shit. Like, what the fuck is you breaking for? Dummy, yo. Motherfuckers down here in Winston can't fucking drive. And if they say they can, They fucking lie. I know I don't need no brakes. I know Big Mero don't need no brakes. You need some brakes, baby. You need me to get you some brakes. I'll get you some brakes, baby. I'll get you some brakes. So I was looking at this video on YouTube, and they was like, where motherfuckers get the misconception of where they think scat packs and shit is faster than SS's and shit is because scat packs, when they counting up on a speedometer, them shit's counting up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one by one, like one number at a time. But the SS's, them shits count like, I think four numbers at a time. So it skipped 4, so it's counting by 4s. So that's why it look like the scats and shit going faster, which they actually ain't. Them shit's not going no fucking where. Them shit's nice and them shit sound good, but they ain't got shit on Big Mero. And them 10-speed Meros is crazy, so yeah, I don't know what the hell motherfuckers be thinking, and I don't know what they be thinking. Like, for real. I don't know what motherfuckers be thinking. They need to join Chevy gang or no gang, cause the other shit lame. For real. Look, big Audi. Big Audi. I get an Audi too, but it gotta be the RS shit. It can't be no regular Audi. It gotta be the RS shit, the fast shit. Big Mero. And I don't even got that shit in competitive spec. Competitive sport. I said competitive spit. Competitive sport. I tapped that traction control button twice and I'm out of there. Like, for real. Motherfuckers don't know that shit. That's the sport mode for the Meros. Competitive sport. You hit the traction control button twice. And that shit'll put you in competitive Spurzort. Spurzort. Look at this motherfucker trying to come up beside me. I'll take off on your ass. I'll take off on your ass. When you in a fast car and you ain't driving fast, that's when motherfuckers get mad. Cause it's like they always expect you to drive fast in a fast car. Like, motherfuckers, I just want to chill some days and just cruise. I just want to drive the speed limit some days. But other motherfuckers expect, like, oh, you got a fast car, you need to go. You need to go. Bro, this shit'll never get old, bro. This shit is like a fucking adrenaline rush, bro. Like, this shit never gets old. Like, I could do this shit every day, all day. This motherfucker behind me, all close with them fucking bright lights. I hate that shit. Why the fuck you riding behind me with them bright ass fucking lights, bitch? Look at this jackass, look. I need to get gas before I be walking. Before I be fucking walking. Before I be fucking walking, my boy. Yes, sir, Big Mero. Tomorrow I'm gonna give y'all a highway POV. With me, I'm gonna be downshifting and taking off on motherfuckers, you know. Motherfuckers that wanna race and shit. Nobody don't wanna race Big Mero though. They be scared when they hear that shit. I done had motherfuckers be like, is it cammed? Is it cammed? I said, nah. That's just the way my dude tuned it, my boy. And that motherfucker running. For real, that's the next thing I'm gonna do is put a I don't know. Y'all comment below and let me know what cam to put in the 5th gens. I don't know. A lot of people been telling me to go stage 2 or something like that. Hold on. Shit. Yeah, a lot of people been telling me to go stage 2. And some people been telling me to go stage 3. My boy Brian Tooley, BTR. So I don't know a lot about cams and specs and shit, what I need, but yeah, that's the next thing I'm doing is camming Big Marrow. So that motherfucker can chop. So that motherfucker can chop like a motherfucking karate nigga. So that motherfucker can chop like a karate nigga. Yeah. Taco trucks. Y'all be eating them taco trucks that be, y'all got taco trucks around y'all city? We got a few. I had that shit one time and I was like, nah, that shit ain't for me. Oh, that shit was turbo, that BMW. That must have been a 335i, I think. Catch y'all in the next POV. Gone.